couple years ago.
Car wreck up on Nolan Road.
Yeah, well, the guy was stopped and I hit him, probably about 35, 40 miles an hour. And I seen the hood coming right to the bottom of the glass. And I said, Lord, please forgive me of all of my sins. Take me into your, I said, if this is it, I'm ready for you. And all of a sudden the hood goes up.
Diverted. Right at the last second.
Last second it diverted straight up. And my seat, the airbags didn't come out.
Right.
And all of a sudden something grabs my shoulders like this, pushes backwards like that.
So you felt
I felt
two hands basically, just the
hands
pressure
on my shoulder
holding
pushing.
down. Amazing.
Like this one. I said, my goodness, what's that? The seatbelt was right here. I knew where that was.
Right.
And Lord sent the angels.
Great surgeon.
That kind of a wreck right there, I should have been hurt or killed.
Yeah, absolutely.
But he stopped it right there.
Yeah, the great surgeon kept you from having to
Well, the great surgeon.
have him
I said,
make surgery.
You're not through with me yet, are you?
That's right, man.
But it really was coming right for me. I said, I started telling my prayer. I said, Lord God, forgive me for all my sins. And I'm with you all the way. If this is the end of the road, well, so be it, you know.
Yeah.
But then all of a sudden I see a thing, man, it's just flying towards the bottom of that, you know, where your glass is right here. And all of a sudden it went just like that.
Amazing. It probably should have sliced right through there.
Oh, it wouldn't have took cut my head completely off. What are you talking about? Lord says, we ain't gonna do it that way, not today.
Yeah. That's awesome. Thank you so much for the
You're
story,
welcome.
man. That's the
I'm glad
kingdom
you
of
got to
Faunus.
see me. You too.